Look at this in me, bro. What is those tattoos, bruh? Yes,
What are these?
go laser that shit off, bruh. Kak is head on your chest.
That's what?
You also have lovies on your bio peep.
Yeah. This is
Nah,
like
it's-
special undies.
It's Raven. She put love bites all over him.
Whoa.
Listen, you
I'm
want to
just
talk
happy
about
to see you guys.
you want to talk about his tattoo? Look at that one.
Yes,
does it
yes, yes. My
Yeah,
bro,
my
what
bro.
the fuck is going
Why
on
do you
here,
think-
bruh?
Why do you have
Yo.
misfits? Why do you have misfits on your chest? Are you mad? Did they initiate you so badly?
Yo, we leave Carter and this is what we're doing. We're just naked now. The fuck, bruh?
Het just shows how much stress we had.
I'm telling you.
Let's name our gang kaal gat.
Of course, wait, let's go to the clothing store. I want to go see that.
What's like this?
I'm gonna go to the